PKX Plus Festival was created by an amazingly talented group of 14 hospitality professionals to give back, to give something to the industry, to create a space that was categorically for the industry. A platform to showcase what's going on, things that are important, how we move it forward. So essentially a place of celebration, collaboration and change. Any events are generally challenging and you're stepping into the unknown. The first year inaugural festival, doing something on a scale that we did it was exciting, nerve-wracking, scary. How are we going to create this amazing kitchen space where we can host over 45 headline chefs from around the world who will feel comfortable being in a kitchen just like they would find in their own professional kitchens. We didn't want it to be come to a farm, not enough infrastructure, not enough kit, not enough hot water, and all of the rest of it. It was kind of a no-brainer that we would go to PKL and say, hey, can you come and help us on this crazy idea to create a hospitality festival on a farm? At no point did we feel that they weren't in it, that they didn't get it, that they didn't want to share in that vision. So it was great that we already had the connection with PKL, but then taking them to the farm, showing them the site, working with them and asking their advice was also a really important part of the process for us as well.
We had to really look at what we were doing in the sense of building our kitchen and building our setup. And we worked with PKL and they were able to tell us what we needed to facilitate the amount of people that we were looking to cater for. We had to upscale, we had to move everything from kind of small fridges to bigger fridges to control our temperature in the middle of a field. But all this was held by PKL really telling us, right, well, we can do this, we can give you a different kind of water heater, we can give you really bigger refrigeration, we can build the cold rooms, we can give you freezers, we can give you ice machines. It was fantastic. And then we were able to look at the way that it was designed, and PKL were able to tell us where to put our gas mains, where to put all our water, so that everything functioned as if we were in a kitchen within a building rather than being in the middle of nowhere. It
was really important to us that we spent a lot of time with PKL planning how that kitchen would look, how it would feel, the environment that it would sit in, and also making it the back of house part of the front of house. It was really crucial for us that all of that was on show, that guests could really see how the professional kitchen operates and to the level that Johnny and the kitchen team wanted that to happen. Watching the kitchen being built was, I think, one of the highlights. From a hard standing in the middle of the farm to this fully functional professional kitchen with all of the kit was just amazing. That feeling as it was being built, the chefs coming in, the fridges going in, everything happening as we'd planned it pretty much to clockwork. Was just fantastic, and we wouldn't have expected anything less from working with a partner like PKL.
When we were working with PKL, it was just the openness. We were able to give them a problem and they gave us a solution.